Hello darlings, welcome to Tammy and Tiaras. How lovely to see you. A big thank you to all my new subscribers out there and to the beautiful people that leave me comments. I really love it. Thank you so much. I hope you're all well and happy wherever you are in the world, and I hope you've had a good week. This week my video is a little bit different. I was so lucky because last Saturday I had my 3 granddaughters. Now, it has been ages. I didn't see them through the holidays, and it's been ages since I've had my darling girls here. And of course, what does a nanny do? We bake. So we did a little bit of some nice little snowballs, and that's what the video is about this week. And I have to say, Kai is amazing when it comes to this sort of filmy stuff. Her and Paige leave me for dead. Well, she had the camera set. Hang on, Nanny, we'll get this angle. Hang on, Nanny, we'll get that angle. You know, she's just so in tune with it all, so much better than what I am. But anyway, I struggle along as best as I can, and she's going to help me do a new beginning, so I'm going to get her over to help me with that. So it's been a lovely week, and I loved having my 3 granddaughters over because grandchildren are very special to us, as are our own children. And anyway, and then today I've been out for a coffee with Anna Marie, my girlfriend, and we also went to the mushroom farm and got some vegetables there and some fruit. It's just so lovely and fresh, you can't beat it, and it's in the country and it's a lovely country drive. And then we went to Macca's and we got a coffee, and Anna Marie got to use her seniors card for the first time, and I got a free coffee from it. So thank you, Anna Marie, as always thinking of somebody else. She was super happy today because she got her Kindle, her new Kindle from her birthday, so good day. Yes, so anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I love this community we've got, and I just want to say thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting. It means so much. I hope you're all well and happy wherever you are, and that you're looking after you and you're being kind. Always be kind. So lots of love from Ballarat, darlings, and I hope you enjoy this one. It's a bit of a special treat. Okay, bye for now. Hello darlings, guess what? I've got the grandbabies here today. I've got Kai. Hi. Hello darling, I've got Paige. And I've got Bailey. Come on, Bailey. These are my 3 granddaughters from my eldest son, Richard. They're beautiful, and we are going to make the old-fashioned vintage recipe of golf balls, or I used to call them snowballs. These were a favourite of my kids and they still love them. So the girls are going to make them with me today. Isn't that going to be great? And you can come along for the ride. Guess what? I've got the grandbabies here today. I've got Kai. Hi. Hello darling, I've got Paige. And I've got Bailey. Come on, Bailey. These are my 3 granddaughters from my eldest son, Richard. They're beautiful, and we are going to make the old-fashioned vintage recipe of golf balls, or I used to call them snowballs. These were a favourite of my kids and they still love them. So the girls are going to make them with me today. Isn't that going to be great? And you can come along for the ride. So this recipe I actually know off by heart because I've made it so much. And I'm doing double, so we need 2 packets of plain biscuits and 2 tins of condensed milk. We need some coconut. We need some cocoa. And that's just more coconut. And that's all you need to make these, and that's all you need to make these golf balls. That's it. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to blend the biscuits up in the Thermomix because that does the best job. So that's the first thing to do. It's very noisy, so we will just turn off and do that and then come back. We'll add 2 tins of condensed milk because we're doing double the recipe. It's so hard to get open. I can never get it all back. We need 2 cups of coconut. Yeah, that's about 1 1/4. Yeah, I call that 2 cups. We'll rinse them out.
Now I'm going to finish the condensed and try and get as much as I can before it's going to keep it together.
No, you can put it up here, you can walk around it then. It's a lot easier on your feet.
Oh, the towels aren't on yet. Is it mixing in? I'm getting some water.
We won't need water.
Yeah, I just wasn't sure if we were.
I'll mix it in and see.
Luggage, I think, and someone to stand on. I don't know if it's touching it.
People go like that.
Isn't it cool to get them all the right way up?
They're making in a little no balls.
See it. Every major chef usually makes this stuff up, and I forgot to put the cocoa in. So this will be interesting and may have to go back into the Thermomix. So we'll let you know. 2 tablespoons is what we add for this sort of amount. I'll put the recipe down the bottom.
We're going to use a silver tray to put the golf balls in, but you can use any other sort of tray or bowl.
We have our mixture. Oh, please. Needs to be taste tested. Taste testing. Yeah, okay. Do you want big ones or little ones, girls? Dad always liked big ones. So we get about a half a spoon. Right, like so. Roll it into a ball with the hand into the coconut. So there you go, Kai and Paige, you can do that. And then put about 5 or 6 in there, and then we'll shake the living daylights out of it. Now, can you help too here, darling, with this spoon? Here you go. Here you go. Yep. Because it goes quicker with 2. Well, I can fasten this up when it moves, so you'll be making it look quick. Be careful, darling, it's not that sturdy. That's all right.
What if I I do the golf ball page and you just roll them around in the thing because I'm much faster at them to be.
Okay, hang on. Get another one in there, and we'll put the lid on. Now put the lid on. Now, do you know how to do this trick with the Tupperware? No, this is vintage Tupperware. You've got to go down with your elbow into the dot in the middle. That's it. Hear it snap, and then you can shake the living daylights out of it. Except now he's got it too. That's it. And out they come.
I buried them.
That's good. That's what you got to do.
I can't get it out.
You can do it.
It's like completely in there. There's another one there. Oh, there's another one here.
All that coconut will be gone, usually when it's done. We need 5 in there to get it. Oh, well, we have to use that one for Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Yeah, she loves them. She's got a sweet tooth. You can't have it all, though.
She's like, what?
Because.
No, as soon as she does.
Yeah, she has a sweet tooth, Lucy.
She's already eaten it. No, she hasn't eaten it yet. Yeah, no. It's here. No, she's eating at it.
You just be careful there, Paige. Because I hate sticky socks, do you?
Okay. In a second, I'll get one more. Paige, I'll get one more.
That's
Let me know what to come
Let's go back a bit.
up. Lift it up. No, it's fine. Hello, darling.